They gave him his orders at Monroe, Virginia. Said, Steve, you're way behind time. This is not 38, this is old 97. You must put her into Spencer on time. He turned around and said to his black crazy fireman, shovel on a little more coal. And when we cross that White Oak Mountain, watch old 97 roll. Telegram came to Washington Station. This is how it read. It said that brave engineer that has run on 97 is lying down in Danville dead. He was going down a grade, making 90 miles an hour, when a whistle broke into a scream. He was found in the wreck with his hand on the throttle, scalded to death by the steam.